Good morning dear students, welcome to the Maths online class. Students, in previous class we discussed about the four important methods of the addition. What's that first method? Very good. Addition using the fingers is the first method, and second one is the addition on the number line. Third one is the addition using the what? Dots, and the fourth one is the what? Mental arithmetic. Okay. In today's class we solve some examples on that methods. Okay, one by one method we have to solve some examples on the addition here. See the first one. Quick drill. Open your textbook page number 39. Okay. So open now. So see here. The first one is count using dots and find the sum. Using that method, they given the method in the headline. We have to see that method, which method it is. According to that method only we have to represent that one and find the sum for that. So here the using dots. So dots method is there. It is one of the important method. So here we have to represent the first and the second with second addends with the respect to their values. Okay. In 8th one, 5 plus 1 is equal to dash is there. So 5 is the first addend. We have to represent that number with dots. So 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Over first addend. And second addend is 1 is there. In front of that number we have to draw one representation of the dots. Okay. Then count all together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 6 is the total answer. So 5 plus 1 is equal to 6. Then next one, B one, 4 plus 1 is there. The first addend is 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Represent with their values with the dots. Then the second addend is 1. And count all together. Okay. So here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Write the answer 5 here. 5 is the answer of the sum for the given addition sentence. Then see one, 3 plus 1 is there. The first addend 3 is there. Represent with their respective dots. And second addend is 1. So the total answer is 3 plus 1 is equal to 4. This is one method, representation with the dots. Okay. And second one is count. See here, read the headline. Okay. Which method apply to this to solve the what sum for the given addition sentence? See, count using fingers and find the sum. Here using finger. The first method or is the what? Here is there we have to find the sum using the fingers. 8th one, 3 plus 2 is there. 3 is the first addend. Using the finger only we have to solve the answer. 3. 1, 2, 3 is the first addend. And the second addend is 2 is there. 2 is the first addend and the second addend. We have to count all together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So answer is 5. Right in front of box. Okay. Next B1, 2 plus 2. 2 is the first addend. 1, 2 is the first addend. And here 2. Second addend 1, 2. And count all together to get the what? Sum for that. 1, 2, 3, 4. So 4 is the answer. Then next one. See one, 4 plus 2 is there. The first addend is, what's the digit now? There is a 4 is there. So see that one, 1, 2, 3, 4. It is the first addend. And in the second addend 2 is there. 1, 2. Then to get the what sum, we have to count all together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay. So here 6 is the answer. Then D1, 1 plus 2 is there. 1 plus 2. Very good. 1. And here 2. Count all together. Very good. 1, 2, 3. So write the answer here. So 1 plus 2 is equal to 3. It is a very important method. Which is that one? Using the fingers we have to count the numbers. Then next one. Third one. Find the sum using the number line. Okay. So the next method is using number line. One of the most important method in the addition. So using the number line only we have to add the numbers. See here. First one is they given the number line here. 0 to 9 numbers. That is the single digit numbers. The first one is 3 plus 6 is there. 3 is the first addend and 6 is the next addend. So 3. Here 3. We have to move how many steps forward? 6 steps. 3 is the first number line. Don't represent 6 on the number line. So it's not correct. Okay, we have to move 6 steps forward from the 3. See here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Here the answer is 9. Okay, 1 over. The next one, Bth one. 3 plus 4 is there. Again 3 plus how many steps? Here 4. 1, 2, 3, 4 steps. So what's the number here? 7. So right here the 7 number. The next one, 6 plus 3 is there. Okay, what's the first addend? 6 is the first addend. Okay, so we have to move 3 steps forward from the 6. So 1, 2, 3. What's the answer here? 9. 6 plus 3 is equal to 9. Next one, Dth one. 7 plus 2 is there. First represent the number. Which number on the number line? Is it 2 or 7? Very good, 7. Where is the 7? Here is there. So 2. How many steps you have to count forward? Very good, 2 steps. 1, 2. What the number here? 9. 7 plus 2 is equal to 9. Then each one, 1 plus 7 is there. Represent 1 on the number line and move 4 steps forward from the number. 1, 2, 3, 4. What's the number here? 5. 5 is the answer for that. This is the what? Use of the number line to the what? Addition process to find the sum for that. Okay. The next one, fourth one is there. Count mentally and find the sum. It is also one important method in the addition, that is the mental arithmetic. So in mental, with the forward counting only we have to write the answer quickly. See, 3 plus 3. 3 is in your mind and 3 fingers. After 3, 4, 5, 6. So we have to write the answer quickly. The next one, Bth one. 2 plus 7. 2 is in your mind. Okay. And second addend 2. 7 is there. So show 7 fingers. Okay. 2 is in your mind. After 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So answer is 9. In addition, we have to count forward or backward. Very good, forward. The next one, see one. 6 plus 2. 6 in your mind. 2 is in your finger. Okay. After 6, 7, 8. So 6 plus 8 is equal to 6 plus 2 is equal to 8. The next one, Dth one. 4 plus 4 is there. Take 4 in your mind and 4 fingers. After 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. We have to count forwardly. Then here the 8 is answer. This is about the what? Some problems on the different methods or different ways to the addition. So today's homework is about same as classwork one time. Write this one is in your classwork and one more time in your homework book to practice purpose. Okay. So if any doubts are there, please contact me. In next class we discuss some more examples on the what? Addition. Thank you.